Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this. I just bought this. It's a 2014 MacBook Pro. It has a broken LCD. Can't push on the screen enough. Sometimes it'll show the display like that. Oh. See, it kind of shows the display here. It lights up. I'm either thinking to do nothing with it, or that I will buy an LCD for it and get it fixed. And all the keys work. Got all 4 rubber footies. Now I bought this for 20 bucks. It has all the accessories. Wall plug in this, I put this back the best I could. And it's got this extra plug here, which I don't think was ever used. And I believe it has all the papers. Haven't looked at this yet, but see if I can get it open. Yep, it does. It's got everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one.